Time check! Sawadee ka Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kateki. Good morning, everyone! 안녕하세요. Ohayo gozaimasu. Jashonghao ni hao. Sawadee ka. Mingalaba. What you rap, what you name, what you rap, what you name. Make up time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Good morning, Teacher Jen!
Open.
Good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu! Well, thank you.
At Darling, Bangkok pala.
Good morning, Teacher Min! Jiao Shanghao ni hao. Hadika. Morning, Teacher Om. Ohayo. And I'm done with my makeup. Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Good. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. I'm sometimes hot, sometimes cold. I'm wet and can fold. What am I? Very good. I'm known by my many names. I have no shape of my own, but I hold everything. Without me, nothing would exist. What am I? Very good. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me your score. Natakit. Cow. Score. 10. In. 9. Ploy. Absent. Baimon. 2. Ploy. 10. Nam. 12. Fam. 8. Ơi. 7. Faye. 9. On. 9. Peer. 10. JJ. 7. Kate. 9. Force. 9. Gran. 9. Dream. Absent. Listen, everyone. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Are you ready, Ayun? What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs?
A pig.
What has hands but can't clap?
A cock.
What comes down but never goes up?
Rain.
What gets wet while drying?
A quill.
What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner?
A step.
What is more useful when it is broken?
An egg.
What has many teeth but can't bite?
A cock.
I follow you all the time.
You are a shadow.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
A sponge.
What gets smaller every time it takes a bath?
Soap.
Very good, perfect, and excellent. Next, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, Teacher Tay. Goodbye, Teacher ng Tay. Bye, Teacher Om. Sayonara, matane.